Well, hello! How are you doing? A while back I made some Blaand wine made from the leftover byproduct of cheese making, the whey from milk. I bottled it yesterday and I had a bottle last night to test. Between you and me, it is brilliant. Fantastic. Awesome! So, what I want to do is share a glass with you and tell you what I think of it. I'm looking forward to this. I used cow's milk. You can also use goat's milk, and Wholesome Roots have made some using goat's milk. Their link is up above and our link is down below, so check them both out, get the recipe and see what you prefer. See what you think. It's well worth making. Anyway, on to this lovely stuff. As you can see, the colour is crystal clear. No fatty solids, no milky deposits, no anything. It's so clear, this wine is, this Blaand. I don't know why I haven't made more of it. Well, I do know why. I don't make enough cheese. So I'm going to start making more cheese to make more Blaand. So, let's pour a glass. Smells so blissful. It's vanilla and coconutty. These aromas just come through straight away and hit you in the nose. It's a summer drink, very light, refreshing. Vanilla pods, vanilla bean, coconutty, almost like coconut milk, but only without the fatty milkiness to it. It has that aroma. Yet you also get a bit of pineapple punching through. It's sort of citrusy, punchy. Oh, refreshing. That is really good. It's really clean to the palate. I could drink that all day. Well, I might drink it all day. I probably will drink it all day. It's that good. So, it is a very pleasant drop. I don't know why it's not made a lot more these days. It's that old Viking drink, and I can certainly see why they would relish this. It will have all the nutrients of the milk preserved for winter. Well, and the alcohol, which is nice. But it's the leftovers from cheese making, so a natural byproduct. Why throw it out when you have a beautiful glass bottle gallon, few gallons of wine for it? I think I'm going to be making a 5-gallon batch of this next. Milk, sugar, a pinch of lemon juice, yeast, and that's all it takes. What I really like about this glass is it's going to be brilliant for summer barbecues. For summer. It's going to be brilliant for any time of the year. Winter, summer. Well, you know Dee is pregnant and we're having our first child. I've promised to set a bottle aside for after the birth for Dee. It's traditional up in these parts, well, old tradition, that you would wet the baby's head with Blaand and it'd be the baby's first drink. I can understand why, because there's all the nutrients from the whey. However, I personally wouldn't do that. The baby is far too young to appreciate the fine delicacy of Blaand. So, Dee can have it when she's breastfeeding. Breast milk. No, don't go there. Anyway, I'm going to leave this here now and finish this glass bottle. Try and set some aside in a hidey place for after the birth. And I will see you soon. Now you have a good day. Subscribe to us, like us, and follow us because my mushroom wine is looking blimmin' marvellous it is. I'm going to be bottling that really soon and doing a taste test. This mushroom wine is like Blaand. It could well be brilliant. It is brilliant. I've tried some.